My name is Samir and I represent Chronopulse, and we are actually doing INRC results for past quite a lot of years, since 2015 I guess. And in the last 3 years we've been working with Blue Band in a very close manner. And Blue Band has actually come a long way in bringing the standard of the rally really up and getting the participation to the numbers which we've always been looking for. They're finally there. There are still the classics running and the gypsies running, but the polo field is really great and enthusiasm is good. And after a very long time, we are having a championship round as K1000, which is actually deciding who's going to win or lose. So it's really good to see fun. That number of rounds have increased. People have more scope of competition, and there is always that adventure and that uncertainty which is there, that who's going to win is being increased. So that is what motorsport is all about. It's about competition, it's about the best guy winning, but it's all about a lot of other factors also. Sometimes luck plays a good factor, and sometimes the terrain is helpful to one or another. So it's pretty nice to see a good grid. And congratulations to Blue Band on doing a great job for the last 3 years.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, what's the next plan for Chronopulse in upgrading the devices or equipments like so? Is there any plan, a long-term plan, something?
So Chronopulse is now doing in multiple fields. It's not only in NRC. So we are doing drags, we are doing autocrosses, we are now coming up with circuit racing, we're getting ready for karting. And we've already gone international, so we are doing rallies abroad also. So we are doing in Uzbekistan, we're doing a drag now very soon in Sri Lanka. So we are actually taking ourselves out and trying to test ourselves against the best. Here, I think we've reached a good limit, but now what we need is great marshals. So we need to look at some marshal training programs where we can have consistency and better marshals around. That's
Cool, great. How is this? Have you seen this overall season in aspect of competitors' participations, crowds appearing into the rallies and other things?
So
the 2024 season.
It's a very happy situation in terms of crowd, but it's also a scary situation because when crowd comes, the responsibility of the rally organizer and the rally promoter also increases. So I've seen very good stuff being done at various rallies in terms of spectator control, in terms of police being there, in terms of me making sure that nobody gets hurt. So that is very commendable as of now. Like even here in this rally, the amount of watering the organizer has done in the transport stages through the villages is phenomenal. Like the villages are not disturbed with dust, they are not ruining the environment. It's actually a very good situation. And this is what we wanted motorsports to become slowly. We have a lot of room to improve. I'm not saying that we've already reached the pinnacle. There's a lot of room to improve. But then it is always, you are always setting the benchmark to the next level. So it's pretty nice.
Great. What do you expect for the 2025 season?
That's a very good, tough question. There's no expectation. There are new star drivers coming up. We expect that the top drivers come into the right field. The women drivers show consistency. Like Pragati has come out so nice. But she needs to now just maybe do more rounds here. And Gil is anyway cracking good now finally. He's also had a bad season, so 2 of them. Karna is, I really feel for him. I wish him all the luck, but then the best man will win today.
Sure.
Today is the championship decider. Thank you.